Welcome to our channel How to Hub. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of using Google Analytics to track your website traffic. Understanding your website's performance and user behavior is crucial for optimizing your online presence. So let's dive into Google Analytics and learn how to track website traffic effectively. Step 1. Set up Google Analytics. The first step is to set up a Google Analytics account and connect it to your website. Create a Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Follow the prompts to create a new Google Analytics account. Set up a property. Once your account is created, set up a new property for your website by providing relevant details, such as the website name and URL. Obtain tracking ID. After setting up the property, you'll receive a unique tracking ID. Copy this ID as it will be used to connect your website to Google Analytics. Step 2. Install the Google Analytics tracking code. To track your website traffic, you need to install the Google Analytics tracking code on your website. Choose the tracking method. Depending on your website's platform or content management system, there are different ways to install the tracking code. The most common method is to add it to the header or footer of your website. Edit website code. Access your website's code or template files and locate the header or footer section where you want to insert the tracking code. Paste the tracking code. Paste the tracking code obtained from Google Analytics into the appropriate section of your website's code. Save and publish. Save the changes to your website's code and publish it to make the tracking code active. Step 3. Navigate Google Analytics dashboard. Once the tracking code is installed, you can start tracking your website traffic and accessing valuable insights through the Google Analytics dashboard. Sign in to Google Analytics. Visit the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Access your property. Select your Google Analytics account and property from the drop-down menus to access your website's data. Explore dashboard features. Familiarize yourself with the various sections and features of the Google Analytics dashboard, such as audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. Customize your dashboard. Tailor the dashboard to your preferences by adding or removing widgets that provide specific insights. Step 4. Analyze website traffic data. Now that you have access to the Google Analytics dashboard, it's time to analyze your website traffic data and gain valuable insights. Overview. Start with the Overview section to get a high-level summary of your website's performance, including total sessions, users, page views, and bounce rate. Audience. Dive into the Audience section to understand your website's visitors better. Explore demographics, interests, devices, and location data. Acquisition. Analyze the Acquisition section to identify how users are finding your website. Explore traffic sources, referrals, search engine data, and marketing campaigns. Behavior. Explore the Behavior section to gain insights into how users interact with your website. Analyze popular pages, navigation paths, and site speed. Conversions. Set up conversion goals to track specific actions users take on your website, such as form submissions or purchases. Monitor the Conversion section to evaluate goal completions and track your website's performance. Step 5. Create custom reports and set up alerts. To make the most of Google Analytics, you can create custom reports and set up alerts to track specific metrics and receive notifications. Custom reports. Use the Customization section in Google Analytics to create custom reports tailored to your specific needs. Select the metrics and dimensions you want to analyze and save the report for future use. Alerts. Set up custom alerts to receive notifications when specific metrics cross predefined thresholds. This helps you stay informed about any significant changes in your website's performance. By following these steps, you'll gain valuable insights into your website's traffic and user behavior, helping you make informed decisions to optimize your online presence. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you utilize Google Analytics to track your website's performance. It's important to mention that Google Analytics may have updates and changes over time, so it's a good practice to stay updated with the latest features and functionalities of the platform. Additionally, always ensure compliance with privacy regulations and inform your website visitors about the use of analytics tracking tools.